Hi everyone! Are you concerned about your privacy when opening up your smart wallet in public? If yes, then in this video we are going to be learning how to hide balances in Smart Wallet. If you don't want others to see your available balance while using the Smart Wallet on your phone, then it provides a simple way to hide it. First of all, open up the Smart Wallet app on your device and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the eye icon at the top right corner of the screen from the home screen, and you'll then be able to hide your balance in the interface. Your balance will now appear as asterisk or hidden dot. If you want to unhide your balance, then you can do it anytime by tapping the eye icon at the top right once again. And there you go. That is how you can easily hide your balance in Smart Wallet. It is a smart way to protect your financial privacy, especially when using your phone in public places. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.